In 12th century Spain and North Africa, brilliant Muslim scholars created one of history's greatest intellectual golden ages under Almohad rule.
The Almohad dynasty united North Africa and Muslim Spain, creating a vast empire where learning and culture flourished like never before.
Four extraordinary philosophers emerged from this period: Ibn Bajjah, Ibn Tufayl, Moses Maimonides, and the greatest of all, Ibn Rushd of Cordoba.
Ibn Rushd, known in the West as Averroes, was born in Cordoba in 1126 and became the greatest interpreter of Aristotelian philosophy in the medieval world.
Around 1169, Caliph Abu Yaqub Yusuf commissioned Ibn Rushd to write clearer commentaries on Aristotle's complex philosophical works.
Ibn Rushd's masterpiece, The Incoherence of Incoherence, systematically defended the compatibility of philosophical inquiry with Islamic faith.
The Almohad period produced remarkable physicians like the Zohr family and astronomers who advanced our understanding of planetary motion.
This golden age saw unprecedented collaboration between Muslim, Jewish, and Christian scholars in the pursuit of knowledge.
Conservative religious authorities opposed Ibn Rushd's works, publicly burning his books and forcing him into exile and disgrace.
Ironically, while Ibn Rushd's works were burned in Muslim Spain, they were eagerly translated and studied in Christian European universities.
The devastating defeat at the Battle of Los Navas de Tolosa in 1212 marked the beginning of the Almohad Empire's collapse.
Political fragmentation and military defeats shattered what had been a unified realm, ending the golden age of Islamic learning.
Though their empire fell, the ideas of Ibn Rushd and his contemporaries traveled across continents, shaping Renaissance thought and modern philosophy.
This lesson is part of the UNESCO General History of Africa Curriculum Library at Ashaware.com, where Africa's story is told by Africa.